welcome. I'm Joy Fay and I'm an artist and I'm also a teacher, and I love teaching abstract painting. And in this video I want to share with you a few great things that are happening that might be of interest to you. So stay tuned and I'm going to dive in and tell you all about it. So first off, when we're looking at abstract painting and, what we want from it, it's an exciting subject and, we get passionate, don't we, about our painting, and we want to learn more and absorb more and get the results that we want. And we can do this in so many different ways. And, YouTube is such a fantastic resource for finding brilliant artists and teachers to teach you basically anything you want. But one of the things that I feel is really important is to spend a little bit of time really immersing yourself in your abstract painting, really sort of to take a stride forward to get everything that you need, all the skills and the knowledge under your belt so you can confidently pick up your brushes and your tools and get your canvas and your boards or your paper and really go for it. So, I've been teaching for, many, many years. I've done lots of different workshops and all kinds of things to help students really progress with their paintings. And since we had the pandemic and the lockdown, a lot of that changed. So I've put nearly all of my workshops online, and I've listed them all below. Because, obviously I couldn't do them live while we were in lockdown, and now they seem to have really taken off. And I also have, as an introduction to any of those courses, a free mini course on abstract painting, which I've left the link in below. However, I've got one thing happening this year. For the first time, I'm actually doing an art retreat, which is extremely exciting. Here in Spain, I live near Malaga in southern Spain. And, a few of my students said, Joy, please, we'd love to come and do a live retreat and, spend a week painting. So anyway, this is what I have decided to do. And if this is something that you feel would be something that you would get great benefit from, really sort of immerse and absorb yourself in abstract painting at the same time as having a beautiful, magical holiday in the most wonderful village in Andalusia in Spain, then, stay tuned, because I'm going to give you a tour of where we're going to be and what we're going to be doing. But if this isn't for you, then go to get the mini course, the free mini course, that's below. And if you don't want to see the tour, then turn off now. But it's worth it. I tell you, if you're looking for something exciting to do in September with your art, you want to meet other artists, you want to really get to grips with all the different skills and techniques of all different things that you can do with abstract painting, then we're going to have a wild week of creativity and, fun and laughter and community. So I'm going to take you on the tour and then you can decide for yourself. So let's get ready and have the tour, and I'll see you when I finished it. So here we are, the Abstract Art Retreat in Spain, and it's in a beautiful villa called the Villa Sunshine, which is a wonderful name. They hold a lot of great retreats here. It's the most spectacular villa with lots of space and the most unbelievable views. You can see, all the olive trees and the mango trees and all the mountains, and you can see the sea, and it's absolutely amazing. So we have some beautiful spaces for painting in and lots of shade because it's going to be quite hot in September, and we're going to cover a lot of interesting things in the whole retreat. We're going to have 5 days of art instruction where I'll be giving you demonstrations and one-to-one guidance. There'll be 7 nights in the air-conditioned villa. Lots of healthy meals from the grown vegetables in the garden and all your materials that you'll need, everything provided. We're also going to have an excursion to Malaga, including going into the Picasso Museum and the Pompidou Centre of Modern Art. You can do some morning yoga and there's lots of optional extras, so loads of things going on. And the villa isn't very far away from the village of Frigliana. And Frigliana was actually voted the second prettiest village in Spain. So it's beautiful to go and have a look around and see the shops and the different wonderful buildings. And, the villa is all air conditioned. And if you get too hot outside, you can always go inside. And there's some beautiful places to sit and relax or to carry on your painting. And a lot of lovely places where we can get together to have our meals in different places in the grounds. So wherever you look, there's beautiful, lovely views and inspiration for your painting. So it's going to be a fantastic week. So isn't it fantastic? It's the most amazing, beautiful, astounding location, with all the mountains and all the sea you can see from the villa and the village not far away. It's a magical place and really so inspirational for painting and for expressing yourself and really having the most wonderful time. So I'm going to put the link below. Go and check it out. I've got a nice page on my website to give you all the details. We've got a special payment plan, so you don't have to pay it all at once. You can spread the cost. But I can tell you it's going to be the most amazing time. Not going to be so many people. The numbers are limited, but there's still a few spaces left. So, if you get excited and you want to do this, make up your mind quite quickly. So, and I hope that I'll meet you there. There's nothing quite like actually painting together as a group. We all feed off each other. We've all got wonderful ideas that we can share. And, the whole thing becomes such a fantastic experience. So I'm really looking forward to it. You can tell, can't you, that I'm excited. And, we're going to get it all prepared for it and have a fabulous week. And in the meantime, have a great time painting. Check out the mini course, check out my other courses. And if you've got any questions, put them in the comments. I'm really happy to answer them. If you've got any friends that you think would be interested in the retreat, then do share the video. I put videos up regularly, so if you want to see more and see some of my demonstrations and other videos that I do, then press the notification button and subscribe, and then you'll get notified when I'm bringing the next one out. So until then, happy painting, and I look forward to seeing you maybe in Spain. Okay, bye for now.